Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 18th of November 2020 and currently time is 10:04 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade. Traders, the strategy which I use daily for trading is that I make support and resistance, and on that I make trade. So trader, what happened here? Today I placed the limit order at price here, but it didn't get executed, and their target and stop loss were this, and trade performed very well, but no use of it. We didn't got an entry, and there is second stock also, traders, in which we missed entry by placing limit order, and here you can see the price is performing well and the strategy is also working very good. So no problem. These were the two stock traders in which I was going to trade, but what we are going to do today is that as we have not got entry with our strategy which we use daily, today we are going to practice a new strategy in which I have taken the trade. So I have taken a trade in HDFC with a new strategy. I will explain you. Here you can see in this our risk reward is only 1:1, and this is the trade in which we are using 15-minute time frame. So trader, the strategy is simple. You can see we have taken entry at the high of 15-minute candle. Here you can see, and our stop loss is below the low of 15-minute candle. So the strategy is simple, traders. What we have did is that we were waiting for the price to cross the high of this first 15-minute candle, and we took entry there, and we just placed a stop loss near the low of first 15-minute candle. And you can see when the price crossed the high of first 15-minute candle, it is trying to go upside, and we are trying to take a risk reward of 1:1, because you can see, traders, here sub resistance is here, you can see here. So we have placed our target over here, and stop loss was required to be placed near the low of this candle. So traders, we have taken entry and price is trying to go towards our target, and today this is our trade. We are practicing new strategy. So traders, now I am pausing the video, and when it will hit our target or stop loss, I will update you. So traders, here's a quick update. It's now 11:52 AM, and you can see the market is now showing consolidation here, and it first tried to go towards the target. Here it made a good high, but then after market reversed from there, and it is now spending time near our cost price. So traders, we will wait till market closing, and let's see if our target or stop loss, which one got triggered. So I will update you. So traders, it's now 2:15 PM and our target has been hit. You can see here our target has been triggered, and that's why there is no position showing in the chart. Okay traders, so this was simple trade. I have already told you the logic of taking this trade today. So let us calculate our today's profit. Okay, so traders, our target points were 22.75, and our quantities were 4. So traders, our today's total profit is 91, and as you all know that we take the maximum risk of 100 rupees daily. So by risk reward ratio of 1:1, we have made a total profit of 91 rupees today. Okay traders, because when I will be doing trading, I will be taking maximum risk of 100 on daily basis. So this is our today's profit traders, and this was our today's total trade. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So once again, thank you for watching the video and have a good day.